Good afternoon, my fellow mini vloggers. Welcome to my travel mini vlog. Let's explore the extension of the hidden beauty of nature in our place. The road to this waterfall is a bit challenging due to overgrown grass, but I'm excited to share the beauty of our environment, so I enjoyed the journey. Despite the difficulties of the road, I'm happy to share the hidden beauty of our hometown with you. This is the one I mentioned in my first vlog. It's not as tall as the one I showed in my first vlog, but this one is more slanted unlike the one downstream. It's best to visit in the morning when the wind is cool and water aren't overwhelming. The water is clean without pollutants or trash, showcasing our community's care for the environment. During summer, the water level drops due to this spring source, but during rainy days, the water flow increases. However, it doesn't stop us from picnicking or unwinding here. Even with less water, you'll still enjoy the refreshing air, cool atmosphere, and peaceful surroundings. Perfect for relaxation with only birds' chirps breaking the silence. I can say that you'll surely enjoy having a picnic here with your family, loved ones, or friends because you'll feel contented with the cool water, fresh air, and peaceful surroundings. With or you'll hear the sounds of flowing waters and bird chirping. So don't hesitate to visit. This spot promotes relaxation and well-being. Come and experience the beauty of our small rivers falls. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out this beauty of our nature. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog.